Hello everyone, it's me again, Prop Firm Analyzer, and for today's video, we're going to talk about something really interesting. We're reviewing what they claim to be the #1 AI-powered prop firm right now, and honestly, this one caught my attention. So this prop firm is called Wealth Aura Funded, and basically you can take a challenge, pass the evaluation, and start trading. Pretty standard so far, right? But here's where it gets interesting. They integrate AI into the process to help improve your trading performance. You'll be able to see detailed statistics about your trades, your behavior, your consistency, and overall performance. And having that kind of data can really help traders become more disciplined and potentially more profitable over time. So yeah, it's not just about passing a challenge. It's also about improving as a trader. Now, since they're relatively new in the space, the first thing I checked was their Trustpilot rating. And as of now, Wealth Aura Funded holds a 4.3-star rating, which is actually solid for a newer prop firm. They are based in Spain, and you can see that they're slowly building their presence and reputation in the industry. Most of the feedback so far has been positive, especially from traders who appreciate the AI integration and user experience. So yeah, that's always a good sign when you're looking at any prop firm. Going back to their website, they list several trusted partners, which adds another layer of credibility. They're connected with MetaTrader 5, MuchtoPay, Confirmo, CarePay, and RedSys for their payment processing and trading infrastructure. And partnerships like these usually mean the company is serious about operating long-term. It's not just a random setup, they're clearly trying to build something structured and professional. So yeah, that part definitely stood out to me. Another thing I found interesting is that they're planning to introduce instant funding soon. And honestly, I'm a fan of instant funding models because they remove the pressure of passing multi-phase challenges. So yeah, if they execute this properly, it could really elevate their offer and attract more traders who prefer direct access to funded accounts. That move alone could position them strongly against other AI-based prop firms in the market. Now let's talk about their AI-powered analysis system. They claim to use advanced AI algorithms designed to enhance your trading decisions by analyzing patterns, performance metrics, and risk management behavior. And this could be helpful, especially for traders who struggle with consistency or emotional trading. Having AI-backed insights might give you that extra layer of awareness about your habits. So yeah, it's like having a performance coach integrated into your trading dashboard. They also provide 24/7 professional support, which is important. You can communicate with their support team and even interact with experienced traders if you need assistance. And honestly, responsive support can make a big difference, especially during critical trading moments. So yeah, that's another factor that adds value to the platform. When it comes to leverage, they offer up to 100 times leverage on all instruments. And of course, higher leverage means higher potential, but also higher risk. So you need to manage that carefully. Still, for traders who know how to control their lot sizes and risk exposure, this gives flexibility. So yeah, it definitely opens up more trading opportunities if used wisely. They also don't impose any time limits on their challenges, which I personally think reduces psychological pressure. You can trade at your own pace without rushing decisions just to meet a deadline. And that alone can help improve performance for many traders who feel pressured under strict evaluation timelines. So yeah, that's a pretty strong advantage. Lastly, they offer something called Aura Cycle, which gives traders access to investor-exclusive events, real growth opportunities, and additional community benefits. It seems like they're trying to build more than just a prop firm. They're aiming for a trading ecosystem. And if they continue improving and delivering on these promises, this platform could become a serious contender in the AI prop firm space. So yeah, first, let's go ahead and check the challenge programs they offer here. Wealth Aura Funded currently has 2 different plans available, a 1-step program and a 2-step program. And we're still waiting for their instant funding option, which they've mentioned is coming soon. Hopefully they release that soon because I know a lot of traders are really interested in instant funding models. For now though, let's break down the 2 main options so you can clearly understand how they work. Starting with the 1-step plan, you can choose an account size ranging from $5,000 all the way up to $100,000. So yeah, if you're a trader who prefers mid-sized or larger capital, you have flexibility to select the account size that matches your comfort level. And of course, the bigger the account, the more responsibility you have when it comes to risk management, but you still need to meet specific requirements to pass. For the 1-step program, the profit target is 10% and they have a trailing drawdown of 6%. That basically means your equity cannot drop more than 6% from its highest point, so you really need to manage your trades carefully. They also have a maximum daily loss of 4% and a minimum of 5 trading days before you can complete the evaluation. So yeah, it's achievable, but you still need discipline and proper risk control to get through it successfully. Leverage for the 1-step plan is 1 to 30, which is reasonable for most traders. They also provide tools to help you track performance, and they allow news trading, which is actually a big advantage for traders who like volatility. On top of that, they offer fast payouts and 24/7 live support, so you're not left alone if you encounter any issues. So yeah, overall, the 1-step model seems simple but structured. Now let's talk about the 2-step plan. Since this one has 2 phases, the requirements are split into phase 1 and phase 2 targets. You can start with an account size as low as $1,000, and it goes up to $100,000, which makes it more accessible for traders with smaller budgets. So yeah, if you don't want to commit to a larger fee up front, this might be a good entry point for you. For the 2-step challenge, you need to hit 8% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. At the same time, you must maintain an overall drawdown of 10% and a maximum daily drawdown of 5%. Just like the 1-step plan, there's a minimum of 5 trading days required, and the leverage is also 1 to 30. So yeah, it's slightly more structured, but it gives you 2 stages to prove consistency. The trading platform they use is MetaTrader 5, which most traders are already familiar with. That's actually convenient because you won't need to learn a completely new interface just to start trading. So yeah, if you've used MT5, feel right at home here. Platform familiarity definitely reduces the learning curve. Now, if you want to purchase an account and start the challenge, the process is pretty simple. You just click Start Challenge, and it takes you to the checkout page. You fill in your personal details. After entering your information, you'll see your total order summary, and you even have the option to apply coupon codes if available. For payments, you can use a credit or debit card, and they also accept crypto payments, which is convenient for traders who prefer digital assets. That flexibility in payment options is always a plus, especially for international users. So yeah, they've made it accessible in that sense. They also mentioned something exclusive that seems to be invitation only. This includes access to exclusive events, mentorship opportunities, international networking, incubator programs, personal branding support, and even social growth opportunities. So it looks like they're trying to build more than just a funding company. They're building a community and growth ecosystem for traders. And honestly, if they execute that properly, it could add long-term value beyond just funded accounts. And it's not just that, guys, because they also have something called the wealth or reward system. So yeah, this is where things actually get interesting. Basically, you can earn loyalty tokens by completing certain activities inside the platform. The more active you are, the more rewards you can unlock, which kind of makes the whole experience more interactive. And you'll see there are specific activities listed where you can earn these tokens, and they even have daily tasks that allow you to collect additional rewards. So it's not just a one-time thing. It's something you can consistently participate in. They also have loyalty tiers, which means the more tokens you accumulate, the higher your tier goes. And the higher your tier, the more benefits you unlock, including potential discounts and exclusive features. Now, what's cool is that you can actually spend these tokens on different categories inside the platform. Each reward has a different token cost depending on what you want to redeem. So yeah, it kind of feels like a gamified trading environment, which honestly you don't really see in most prop firms. And I have to say, that's pretty unique because not a lot of programs allow you to convert activity into tangible platform benefits like this. All right, so next, let's go ahead and check their dashboard because this is where the AI features really stand out. Once you're inside Wealth Aura Funded, you'll see something called the AI Trading Lab. This is where you can track your performance in detail, and it gives you insights beyond just profit and loss. It actually breaks down your trading behavior in a very structured way. They also have what they call Trader Evolution Analytics. So for example, if you want to recalculate or review your performance, you can see all the data based on your trades and analysis. It categorizes your performance into areas like psychology, discipline, risk management, execution, consistency, and more. So yeah, instead of just guessing where you're going wrong, you actually get structured feedback that helps you improve step by step. One feature I personally like is the P&L calendar inside the daily brief section. This allows you to track your profits and losses by day, by week, and by month. So yeah, you don't need to subscribe to a separate journaling software just to monitor your performance. Everything is automatically recorded and displayed inside the platform, which honestly makes tracking much more convenient. Now let's talk about something that's coming soon, the Rule Guardian feature. This is an AI-powered rule monitoring and protection system designed to help you stay compliant with challenge rules. You'll be able to see real-time rule alerts, a compliance dashboard, and even build custom rule settings. And one of the most interesting parts is the automatic position management that activates when you're about to breach a rule, which could really save traders from accidental violations. Then we have Aura Intelligence, which is basically like having a built-in trading mentor. What I like about this feature is that you can ask questions about your performance, like where you're making mistakes or how to improve your risk management. It provides performance overviews and AI-generated feedback based on your trading data. So yeah, instead of trading blindly, you're actually getting insights that could help you refine your strategy over time. You can also chat within the system and ask about different aspects of your trading, whether it's risk control, execution timing, or consistency issues. And the AI will respond with structured suggestions that are based on your actual data. So that's a powerful tool if you're serious about long-term growth and not just passing challenges. Overall, these dashboard features really show that they're focusing on trader development, not just evaluations. So yeah, if you want to know more about them, you can just check the link in the description below. I highly recommend that you explore the platform yourself so you can see all the features in detail. Sometimes it's really different when you actually navigate on your own and experience everything firsthand. So yeah. Now let's go back to the dashboard so I can show you how it looks inside. Once you're logged in, you'll see your accounts listed there, and what we're going to do is simply click View Account. From there, you can access all the important information related to your trading performance. And honestly, I like how everything is organized in one place. Inside the account overview, you'll see your summary details like your current balance, current equity, average statistics, win rate, number of trading days, and more. So yeah, you don't have to manually compute anything because the system automatically tracks it for you. You can also monitor your drawdown limits, including your daily drawdown and maximum overall drawdown. And of course, you'll clearly see your profit target, which helps you stay focused on your goal. That's one of the good things about Wealth Aura Funded, the transparency of data. Everything you need to manage your account properly is visible and easy to understand. And when traders can clearly see their numbers, it becomes easier to stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions. So yeah, that structured layout definitely helps with accountability. As I mentioned earlier, Wealth Aura Funded positions itself as one of the first AI-powered prop firm platforms. Their AI integration is really designed to help traders improve discipline, manage risk better, and protect their accounts from unnecessary mistakes. And honestly, tools like this can be very helpful, especially for traders who are serious about long-term consistency. So yeah, it's not just about funding, it's about development. All right, so I think that wraps up our review of Wealth Aura Funded. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to check them out using the link in the description and explore everything they offer. And of course, support the channel by liking this video, subscribing if you haven't yet, and dropping your thoughts in the comments below. I'd really love to hear what you think about this AI-powered prop firm, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so I think that wraps up our review of Wealth Aura Funded. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to check them out using the link in the description and explore everything they offer. And of course, support the channel by liking this video, subscribing if you haven't yet, and dropping your thoughts in the comments below. I'd really love to hear what you think about this AI-powered prop firm, and I'll see you guys in the next video.